Hi everybody, this is Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
And today we just boarded the Disney Magic. This is Disney's original cruise ship that first sailed in 1998, and we are looking forward to Marvel Day at Sea tomorrow. But first, let's jump right in, and we are going to give you a tour of our deluxe stateroom with veranda. Let's check it out.
So here we are in stateroom 5628, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a tour. So come on in, and on your right over here we have this beautiful picture, and we did purchase the water package. It does not come with it, but we did purchase it. And then we have our gifts here that we got because we've sailed with Disney Cruise Line before. So now coming on back further into the room, we do have this nice, beautiful, large bed, comfortable for anybody. And taking it even further back, we have this cabinet. So it's a big cabinet, you know, it's a cabinet. And then we do have another set of double doors here on the bottom that are the same deal. So they lead to the same thing. And then we have these nice curtains that close off half the room, so mom can have her privacy, I can have mine, and of course, Randa's table. Coming on back further into here, as you can see, the TV is on my side of the room, which is a key feature for me because I like watching TV. And we have another nice big cabinet here, right above that TV, which does pull out as well, which is a nice feature. And of course we have the huge mirror. Hello everybody. And these big lights here if you wanted to do your makeup, as my mom would do in the morning or something like that. And then there's features like this and charging ports, and they do have a couple of these just USB ports here, but I think that those are one of the two of the few ones in this entire room. They're not as common in the Magic as they are in the Disney Dream and the Disney Fantasy. Now going back over here again, we have our mini fridge, which we're gonna go ahead and put our water in later. It's nice for the water package because you can have cool water for when you go on to Castaway Cay or anywhere else. Now coming on back over here, we have a ton of drawers. As you can see, we have our hair dryer.
And a curling iron mat, so you can put your curling iron on it so it's not too hot on the surface.
Right. And more drawers, you know, just the works, you know. And then we have this really cool stool here, which I'm kind of a fan of. So you can sit on it in the morning.
Are you gonna use that to put your makeup on?
I am, yeah, you know, the eyeshadow, like that. And we have a big old drawer here with, I'm not too sure what that is.
Contact phone numbers. Oh, and you know what this is?
That's gonna be, mom's gonna go ahead and tell you what that is. I don't know. It's a door hanger for room service.
This is a room service menu.
It's a room service menu, yeah.
So you can check off what you want for room service, which is included with your cruise, and then you hang this on the door and they will bring it to you the next morning.
Fancy. So we're gonna go ahead and push in our fancy stool there, and we have more drawers over here on the left, almost identical to those, just doesn't have the hair dryer. Now coming back on over here, we have this beautiful artwork. Comment down below if you know what that song is. We're not gonna tell you. You have to comment.
what movie, what Disney film is that song from?
All right. So there you go. There's your challenge for this video. And then we have a massive couch, which I'll be sleeping on this couch because it does go ahead and fold out into a bed, which the room service people will, when they come to clean your room, they'll do that for you at night. So we also have a table here, but something that you might notice is there's only two of us this time. We don't have the fold down bunk beds. They're not here on this room. Only the fold down bottom bed. This room sleeps only 3 people. Well, only, I mean, it's a lot of people. And we do have a ton of storage here under the bed. You know, it's a lifted bed, so there's plenty of room to put your luggage, which we do have our luggage under there. Now this is a feature that they did go ahead and add when they came in to reimagine these rooms on the Disney Magic. They didn't used to be tall enough to fit your luggage under, but when they came back, they made it taller, so now you can, which is very convenient, I must say. And yeah, I almost missed it, but we have our phone here in case we need to call Mickey and let him know that our room is too perfect. We need to be dialed down a little bit, maybe. And then a nice little nightlight.
Little lamps. On each side of the bed has these lamps, and what you'll notice is it has Disney's ships on these little lights. Now, it shows all the ships kind of and where they sail. It'll be interesting to see if he's changed when the 5th ship joins the fleet later this year.
That's right. So, you got some nice lamps there for you avid readers. Or just people who like to stay up later than the other half of the room. And coming on this side, it does sleep. It's a double queen size bed, would you say?
Yes.
I don't sleep on big beds. So we have another lamp here, of course, and a drawer, which is empty. But you can put, literally, it's limitless. You can put whatever you can fit in there.
You will notice that next to the bed here, there are not USB chargers next to the bed. So if you want to charge your phone next to the bed, you're going to need to bring a plug that plugs into the outlets there by the bed. I know I like to sleep with my phone next to the bed because that way I can see what time it is. I can set an alarm to get up and that kind of thing. So you'll want to bring a plug in. Okay.
That's right. So making our way back over to this half of the room, we have this big old closet here with sliding doors. And we have our life jackets and hangers to hang up all your clothes if you're going to be staying for a little bit longer of time, or if you just want to really just make this place feel more like home. And you have your laundry bag to put your dirty laundry in, safe to keep your stuff safe.
You will want your passports and things like that in the safe.
Right. And then you have some more shelving and things like that. Maybe to put some shoes. Closing this back up.
And when you close it, the light turns out in there.
Fancy, conserve on electricity. Now coming back over to this further over here, you will notice I can just flip on these lights whenever. Now the Disney Magic and Wonder, I believe, don't take key cards. As you can, if you've seen some of our past videos on the Fantasy or the Dream, you will notice that you have to push your key card in a little thing to have them light up, to turn the power on. But here, you don't. So I can just push a little button, there's the light. We prefer to conserve electricity, so we'll turn them out when we leave anyway. Now, Disney does have a split bath, so there's a sink here and a toilet in here, and as you'll see later in the other room over, there'll be the shower and the bathtub. And so you have some nice towels to dry your face on. And some shelving, of course. Beautiful glass shelving there. And hello everybody. You have some lighting, more shelving, soap that smells absolutely amazing. I wish I could steal it, but I don't want to take this from Mickey. He'll probably charge me. So then over here you have your toilet. Obviously you guys know what a toilet is, I hope. And pretty much all your toiletries over there. You also have this little vacuum mechanism over here. This little vacuum mechanism over here for when you shave and you get shavings all over, you can vacuum them up. Fancy. So now coming back on out into the hallway, you do want to make sure and turn that light off. Save Mickey some more money. He likes you better if you do that.
Save the environment and electricity.
Yeah, but Mickey likes you better if you save. I mean, yeah, both. Okay, now coming back in on here, you do have another sink so Mom can get ready at the same time as me. And some more soap here. It smells absolutely delicious.
That's lotion, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's body
lotion. I almost put that on my face.
Those H2O soaps and lotions are amazing.
Right. And you have a little makeup towel, which is black, you'll notice, because makeup is going to go ahead and stain these white ones. You don't want that. And coming on into this shower area, we have a nice little compact shower, which is kind of fancy.
And a bathtub. Not a lot of cruise ships have a bathtub, but because Disney focuses on families, we have a bathtub in here for little ones, which you are not anymore. You used to be. when we very first sailed, you are not little anymore.
I don't think I'll be taking any baths on this trip.
No, but there is a bathtub, which is uncommon on a lot of cruise ships.
And then of course you have your H2O Plus Beauty. You have the revitalizing conditioner, the body wash, and the revitalizing shampoo. All of these smell absolutely phenomenal. Like, seriously, they're amazing. And of course your shower head, so you can take a shower.
Oh, and your swimsuit hanger.
Yep, you're gonna go ahead and pull this out. It's gonna hook to the other side, and then you can hang your swimsuits on it to dry. I think that's pretty genius, if you ask me. Go ahead and shut this. Make sure to flip that switch. Door had something to say. Now I did save the best for last here. We're gonna make our way over to this side of the room again. I wanna save it for last, so. We have our beautiful, voila. I had the Disney princess moment there. I threw open the curtains. So you're gonna look out over here and you're gonna see a nice building. But when it sails away, that view is gonna get much nicer. And now you do have a lock here, so you don't have to worry about your kids getting out. Just lock it. Oh, it's a little stubborn sometimes, but you get the point. Locked now, so now your kids can't, you know, because obviously if you're little, you're not gonna be able to reach that. And you can go ahead and open this up. I'll take this off because it's a little bit loud out here. So as you're gonna come out here onto the balcony, you are gonna go ahead and see that it's a pretty big balcony. You know, I mean, sitting here in the morning, watching the sunset / sunrise, beautiful. Now, unfortunately, the sun is not setting nor rising right now, so it's right in my eyes, but that's what sunglasses are for, right? You do have a table here to put your coffee, if that's what you choose, or your water, because that's provided with the purchased water package. All right, so as you can see, we do have the balcony room, which is nice. So let's go ahead and head back inside where it's a little bit quieter. And I'm so excited because this vacation is just getting kicked off. We haven't even left the port yet. Tomorrow is Marvel Day at Sea. One of my absolute favorite things. I've always wanted to go on a Marvel cruise, and this is my dream come true right here. Except for on the Magic, so. So make sure to stay tuned, and you might see Marvel Day at Sea. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of our stateroom. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like,
subscribe,
and leave a comment down below.
And follow along for more videos of our great adventures. If you would like complimentary concierge planning assistance for your next Disney cruise, and maybe even some extra onboard credits, spending money for you as well, look me up. My name is Melissa. You will find me at pixiedustadventures.com.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.